Good day, everyone. Well, free up storage of more than 10 GB instantly in your any Android phone. It is very easy, and the best part is you do not have to install any third party app to free up this much of space. So, firstly, we need to look for the settings. Once you find the settings, click on that and then look for anything which says storage. So I will scroll down slowly and here we go. Under device care, it is a Samsung S24 Ultra and it says device care in your phone. It should be anything related to storage and we need to click on that. So once you click on that storage, you will find your battery, storage, memory and everything. We don't have to do anything. We need to click on storage again and then we need to wait for a while and then it will give you a breakup that how much space has been used. So it has 256 GB strength out of 101 GB is being used. Now videos, images, audio files, and this is the we have 18.29 large files which we can open right away like this, and you also get suggestions like 1 GB space by deleting old images, free up space, trash. You can also uninstall unused apps, and when we click on view more, you will find other things as well. Free up 1.64 space by deleting the invisible backups of your pictures and videos. So we can, free up storage like this. We can go to images like this. We can go to audio files like this, right? So you just need to spend few minutes here and you can save more than 100 GB you want if you want. I mean 20 GB, 30 GB depends on the phone and the data you have. So this is how you can free up space in your Android phone, and it might take some time because you need to look one by one, and once you get the breakup you will be able to decide which should be removed and which should not. You can also clean the trash file sitting in the trash in various apps that can also be removed. Once you remove it from the trash it will be deleted permanently. All right. So this is how you can free up space in any Android phone. If you have any query, any question, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to resolve your problem. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.